Hello and welcome to the DDK ShareFile tutorial. This video will explain how to create an account with and upload documents to ShareFile. The first time somebody at DDK sends you a file is when you create your account. You'll get an email from DDK Infotech Secure File with the subject DDK Infotech ShareFile has shared the folder company name with you. When you click on the link, you'll be brought to a page where you need to fill out your name and company's name. Some of the information may have filled itself in, so just double check to make sure it's accurate. Clicking Next, you'll be prompted to create a password. Now I'm in ShareFile and I can see what folders are in my account. I also have the option to upload files here by clicking the plus sign in the top right-hand corner, but I'm not going to put things there now because it's going to make my folder really messy. Instead, I'm going to go into 2020, where my folders have been organized by month. To upload a document, choose a folder, click on it, and you'll come to this screen. You can either click Browse Files like I did, or the plus in the top right corner. From here, you'll be able to choose what you want to place in the folder. Once you've uploaded the document, your DDK contact will get a notification. As you see, if I go into my work email, I see that I've received a message from Adina Lerner LLC and that they've shared a document with me. From here, I'll be able to access that document. And the same process exists on the DDK side. When somebody at DDK wants to upload a file, they go into their folders, go into Shared Folders, and find the name of the company or the client that they want to share a file with. The same organizational structure will exist on both ends. So let's say I want to upload a document for the March folder. It's the same concept. You can hit upload, choose a document, and whatever document you put into the folder, the client will be able to see that somebody from DDK has uploaded a document to their file. Once your DDK contact has uploaded something to your file, you'll get an email notification. Switching to my personal email, I see that my DDK contact, which is me, has uploaded a document into my file. Clicking on the link, I can access it and see what's been uploaded. Thus concludes our video, and if you have any issues, don't hesitate to contact us at DDK.